Big booty Judy.
Oh my gosh.
That's his mama.
I'm unboxing a shirt. Stop.
Unbagging.
Hey, James.
Get him, Bo.
Get him, Jesslyn. Kick your brother's ass.
Okay. I'm unboxing
Punch him
a
in the
shirt.
nose.
I have
Debo.
information which you're not.
He don't know how to read it.
Yeah, I don't know how to read. And then here's the shirt. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
It's actually pink. It looks blue on his camera.
Whatever. It ain't true. It's actually a
He
really
loves
nice
wearing
shirt.
pink.
Actually.
Hey, you need to save that for your party.
But he said he's gonna wear it tomorrow.
Jay, will you stop doing that? Yeah, it's a really nice shirt, guys. It's really soft. Take notes, Mom. It's my favorite shirt. Alright?
Alright. Jay Vicker reporting for Channel 4 News
Oh
Live.
my-
Over and out.
You're so bad at cameraman.